Hi guys, Dave G. Welcome to another edition of Timeout. You can see the sticker board's coming along really nicely, so I'd like to start off by saying a few shout outs to a couple of stickers I've got this week. So these guys I think are from Bournemouth, I believe. This is Brothers Make. So I'm really looking forward to meeting up with those guys at Makers Central that's coming up just in a few weeks' time. Phil Cannon Woodwork sent me his sticker, so that'll be making it to the board. Cheers for that, Phil. I'll put all the links below to the different YouTube channels. And then another guy I saw, I think it was one of the first videos I watched on welding that I actually sort of I enjoyed, and I kind of, it made some sense because I've never done welding before. But this is Paul Sharp, so Sharpie's Workshop. So cheers for that, Paul. I appreciate that. So they'll be making their way onto onto the sticker board, which folds up onto the joists when I'm actually building in the workshop. Something else I wanted to mention. So I told you before about my magnetic picker upper tool, whatever it's called. So if I drop a drill bit or a bushing or something on the floor, I can pick it up with this big old magnet. But I was in Homebase this week getting gas bottles for the barbecue and the patio heater, because obviously we've had a fantastic week of weather over here, and I came across this little thing. So I thought, oh, that's handy. I can keep that in my in the pocket on my apron and just use it as and when. It's a telescopic one with a small magnet on the end, and the beauty of it is that if I turn it, you can see there's a LED light in the end of it, which I thought was kind of nifty. And you can just turn it on and off. Yeah, and I thought that was kind of cool for when anything rolls under the worktops, I can use the light on it. So I like that. Been off work this week. Judging by the weather, I took the right week to take off work, I guess. But it's been a super busy week. I managed to get a little bit of turning in. I have to apologise for the fact that I've not got many videos uploaded. For me, the making and the videoing is the easy part. The difficult part is the editing. I've just bought a new editing laptop, so I've got a new all singing, all dancing laptop that I'm going to use purely just for video editing. So that's just come through, and I'm just trying to learn the editing software that I'm hoping to use, which is HitFilm. Somebody mentioned it. It's a free piece of software, and yeah, it seems pretty good, but I'm still trying to work out how to use it properly. So these kind of videos, I can just film it, chop it up and then put it straight on. So but I've got some really cool stuff filmed, so I want to do some more sort of collaboration stuff. So hopefully you've seen my other video where I did a kind of collaboration with the Urban Framer. So a friend of mine, he's got a framing company, and he also has this brand of the Urban Framer, and basically what he does is he does picture framing, but it's not just picture framing. He will frame anything. So he's got a YouTube channel. He's just started it up. I'll put the link below. It's absolutely fantastic. And the idea is that he will film as and when he frames stuff and post those videos. But I'm also encouraging him to go down the route of a can he frame it type series, where people can contact him with items that they think he won't be able to frame, and he actually can. I mean, he's done some phenomenal work, framing, boxing gloves and football boots and all kinds of stuff, pipes and letters. And I've got a project that I filmed with him this week where we made a frame. I won't give too much away, but it involves the sea, should we say. So yeah, so watch out for that one. I'll try and get it edited and uploaded as soon as possible, but it's a big video. I'm not going to stop doing pens, but I want to start doing some bigger stuff. So I picked up some sort of bowl blanks. So this is a 5-inch disc by a 3-inch cherry. So that's a piece of cherry. I've got some oak ones. I've got a big elm one there. That's 8-inch by 2-inch piece of elm. But I also picked up some of the sort of more exotic ones. So this is Zebrano, and it's also called like zebra wood. So this is a 6x2. So this is 6 inches by 2 inches thick, and it's absolutely stunning. The grain on it is lovely. I've used Zebrano before as a pen blank. I actually made a letter opener with it, and it was gorgeous. It looks lovely once it's all finished up and that, so I'm really looking forward to turning that one. And then this one I just couldn't resist. This is Purple Heart. So I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but the wood is absolutely stunning. This is an 8-inch by 1.5-inch disc, and you can see the purple really pops, and I'm really looking forward to turning this. And the good thing about this stuff is the more it's handled and the warmer it gets, the more the purple colour comes out of it, and it's not dyed. I mean, that's the actual colour of the wood kind of thing. So and I've always been a bit of a sucker for a bit of spalted beech. I love spalted wood. So when you look at this, you can see there's this spalting through it, which is like random black sort of veins, if you like. And what it is, it's as I understand it, I think it's a fungus in the wood. But I absolutely love it, because I think as good as it looks, it kind of it's still recognisable as a piece of wood, and I like all that live edge sort of stuff. So that's why I picked this up a while back. And you can see it's a little bit punky on the top and that, but I kind of like the shape of it, and I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll try and turn it into something. So we'll see where that one goes. So yeah, so I've got a whole bunch of stuff to sort out. I've got a load of stuff to get uploaded. I've got more stickers to put on the board now. So hopefully I can get some videos uploaded over the next week or so. But watch this space. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. You can also hit that bell icon and get notified of when I put new videos on. I really hope you're liking my channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Please leave me a comment. I try to respond to every comment I get, and I really appreciate all the support from everybody. It's been a lot of fun for me sort of making these videos and sharing my passion with everyone. And hopefully you're enjoying it just as much as I am. But yeah, so I'll speak to you soon, and enjoy the rest of your weekend with the sun. Happy turning.